How to fix login error in Hallmark Movies application. First, before anything, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a better network. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any internet issues while logging in. However, if there's any other kinds of problem while logging in, you can simply go to your settings, click on General, and click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the Hallmark application. Click on Show All. After that, you want to click on Hallmark application and click on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login issues. However, if there's any other problem in the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, do comment down below.